Good morning, everyone. Now, for the obligatory prayer calling, so I personally request all Muslim, male, female, student, guardian, employer, everybody. Ramadan month catch, properly time, attend to Moscow, proper time, ablution, major ablution, bath, everything. We are Muslim, we are proud. Ramadan is the best month in the year. So everybody respect Ramadan month and catch proper time, ablution, major, prostrator, everything. Allah forgive me. Allah, every Muslim forgive me sin and spread Islamic culture. Thank you. Rashid is speaking, comes from Jamalpur, lives in Dhaka, Bonani.